Welcome to the Advanced Learning training video on creating a user-defined tab. In this video we will be creating a sports tab to add to the Students window, in addition to the tabs that are already there. To begin with, go to Students, Configuration, and Configure Student window. Here is a list of the tabs already present in the Student window. To create a new tab, we must give it two things, a name and a title. The name is only used internally and must be unique for each tab. So because we are creating a sports tab for the students, we are going to call it S_sports. The title is the actual name of the tab that you will see when you open the student window. We are simply going to call it sports. With those two in, we can click on New and we will see the new tab appearing here. You can also add in a list view to the tab when you create it. A list view is basically an embedded list that will appear on the tab. An example of this that you might be familiar with would be the results or the attendance tabs, which have a list of the students' results and attendance respectively that appear in them when you open up the tab. For this one we are just going to leave it blank. Once you have created the tab, click on Save. At this point you will see a message telling you that you must ensure that no other user is logged in. This message is quite important, as if you attempt to create a new tab while someone else is using admin, you could do grave damage to your system, so we highly recommend that you be the only person with admin open while doing this. Once you are sure that you are, click on Yes, and you will see a message shortly afterwards, the change configuration has been installed. Click OK, click Close, and now if we go to the student window, we will see the sports tab appearing on the end of it. Now at the moment this tab is blank. We have not added any fields to it. To add fields you can go to Students, Configuration and Configure Student window again. Click on Sports, click on Fields, and this will bring you to a window where you can add fields onto it. The process of creating fields and adding them onto the tab is gone through in more detail in the Create a User-Defined Field window. Of note, the last thing I will point out is this visible box here. If you wish to no longer see the tab but don't wish to delete it, you can untick that and modify it to mark it as invisible so that you won't see it when you open up the student window. This concludes this training video. Thank you for watching.